Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare fresh noodles with boiled egg. So guys can see the noodle here and see the two noodles here. Here is carrot, onion and green beans that I cut. I'll use cook the fresh noodles. It's a very short video, it's not a long video. So guys, let's go to fire and wash it. So guys can see the noodle. Already put the noodle in the fire. Now put the spice. Put the spice. Just fresh noodles with boiled egg. Put the spice. Use the carrot and green beans and onion. You allow it to cook. And this is the egg on the fire boiling. Wow, it's done. Now off the light. Let me dish it. Wow, so guys can see, very fresh and hot. So if you eat this kind of food during rainy season, when rain dey fall, you enjoy yourself. So you can see the two boiled egg and the noodles. So thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and comment for it. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.